Hello everybody, again welcome back on this video. Now this video will cover two different things. One, when you are facing any issue while installing WordPress using web hosting cPanel, and the second issue is when you installed the WordPress successfully, and after that if you are installing or if you are trying to install WP theme, WordPress theme or WordPress plugin. If we are not able to install your WordPress theme and plugins through the WordPress dashboard, then what is the alternate to install WordPress theme and WordPress plugins? So let's start with the demonstration. So for this, you have to first log into web hosting cPanel account, which you will get from your web hosting service provider. So I have already logged into my web hosting cPanel account, which looks something like this when you log into your web hosting cPanel. Now from here, first we have to install WordPress. So to install WordPress, look for an option called Softaclus app installer, or you can go through WordPress Manager by Softaclus, or if you just scroll down to the screen, you will again find a WordPress icon. So from any of these options, you can follow the installation process for WordPress. So I'll be directly clicking on this WordPress option. Then this installation screen will appear. From this screen, you have to click on install. So here we have our domain. On the right hand side we have admin account details. You can define your user ID, password, and you can give here your administrative email ID. Now there is one recommendation: never use this default username as an admin. You should replace this admin username with your own user admin ID, then password, and of course email. And after that, if you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you will see this again, another window which says email installation details too. So once your WordPress gets successfully installed, where you want that all the installation details, means your user ID and the password, should be mailed to which mail ID. So whatever mail ID you give here you should give your personal email ID. Don't use the default email ID. For the demonstration purpose, I am using this default email ID, and I am filling the same email ID over here. And after this, after inputting these details and this email ID, click on install. Now with this particular hosting account, one error message is coming, which is required PHP extension not found, which is MySQLi. So how to get rid of this message? You have to go back to your cPanel account by clicking this go to control panel icon on the top, and then look for an option called select PHP version. Click on this select PHP version. Then you should get screen similar to the same one. Now here too many options are there. Now look for MySQLi, which is here. You have to just check this box, and that's it. Now again go back to your cPanel account. Again go back to your WordPress installation process. Install. So this time I am going with the default things. Only I am giving my password out here, and I am inputting my administrative email ID. I am unchecking these plugins for the time being. I don't want to install these default plugins, so please uncheck these plugins in case you are also getting the same thing. Again I am selecting the same email ID. Now I am clicking on install button and wait for a few seconds while the installation is being in process. So don't do anything when the installation is in progress. So once your installation gets successfully done, you should get this congratulations screen, and after this you should click on this second link, administrative URL, just to log in into your WordPress dashboard. So this is not working right now because I have missed one step, which is updating the name servers of domain. So I have already shared one video where I have explained how to change the name servers if you have purchased your domain name from GoDaddy. So now I am directly logging into my another WordPress installation dashboard out here. Now the second issue which I have mentioned in the beginning of the video is, once you have successfully installed the WordPress and you are trying to install the WordPress theme or the plugin, at that time, if you are facing any error screen, or if your WordPress theme and plugins are taking too much time to upload, in that case, how to install theme and the plugins? So for that, follow the same steps. Go back to your WordPress cPanel. Go back to your hosting cPanel details. And from here, look for the option File Manager. And when you click on File Manager, you should get the similar screen. And from this screen, follow this option public_HTML. Double click on this globe icon. Then you will be inside the folder. And from this screen, where you will get these 3 folders called WP Admin, WP Content, and WP Includes. Double click on this WP Content folder. Now look for if you want to upload theme, then go to this themes folder, and if you want to upload plugins and install plugins, then go to this plugins folder. So first you should upload the theme by double clicking this folder. Now from here, now I have already uploaded this theme, you can see, which is already given to you people also, I guess, or you may be using some other theme. You have to upload this theme by clicking this upload button. When you click on this upload button, a new screen will appear to upload or select the file. Then from this button, click here. System will ask you to select the file which you want to upload, the theme file. Now rest assured, your theme file is in a zip format. The extension of the file should be in a zip format. So once it gets uploaded, select this file, clicking once on this file. Then from the right corner of the screen, click on extract. When you click on extract, this pop-up window will appear. Then simply click extract files. Then all the theme files will be extracted. And after extraction, click on close button from the next screen. Okay. So once this theme gets installed, click on the reload button, reload option out here. Then you will see folder of the theme, something like this. Now this is DT the 7, then followed by the version name. So this is DT the 7 theme, which is extracted under this folder. So once this folder gets extracted here, again go back to your WordPress dashboard, and then position your mouse cursor on appearance option, and then click on theme. And when your theme gets installed, you should get screen something like this. Your the 7 theme will appear, just a second, something like this. So this theme by default will not be activated when you upload the theme files from the cPanel. So once you get this screen, simply click on activate to activate the theme. So once this theme gets activated, you should get the similar screen. And after this, go to this plugins option to install the theme related plugins. So another issue you may face when you try to install these plugins, these theme related plugins from this section, it may take too long to get installed, or your screen may stuck up in between. In that case, you have to upload and install the plugins in the similar way, the way you have just seen the demonstration of installing the WordPress theme. So again, go back to your cPanel, go to File Manager, again double click on this public_HTML folder, again go to WP content folder, and this time you need not to go to the theme folder, this time you have to go to plugin folder. So once you are in this plugin folder, start uploading plugin zip files from this section. Again click on this upload button, screen will appear and ask you to select the file, then click on this select file option and select the file where you have downloaded the plugin zip files. Again, all the plugins should be in the zip format, the way I told you about the theme file. So once your plugin files are uploaded in the plugins folder, again you have to click on the plugin file and then click on extract from the top right corner to extract the plugins. So once your plugins gets extracted under this folder, go back to your WordPress dashboard and from here position your cursor on the plugin option and click on installed plugins. When you are in a plugin section where you will see the list of plugins, then look for the plugin names which you have just uploaded from the cPanel. So when you look at those plugins, you will get this activate button under the plugin name. So in my case, all the plugins are already activated, so that you will see the deactivate option. But in your case, your plugin name, under your plugin name, the activate option will appear. So you have to manually activate the plugins. So look for all those plugins where you will get this activate option under the plugin name and activate all the plugins, and then from there you are good to go to further build your websites. So this is how you can upload the theme and plugin files in their respective folders and extract them, and again go back to your WordPress dashboard to activate the theme and the plugins.